Hi crochet friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stefania and today we're celebrating reaching 100 subscribers. I'm so thrilled to be reaching this milestone so quickly in my YouTube journey. I hadn't expected this to happen this year, and it's so energizing seeing so many of you like my videos enough to subscribe and tell the algorithm to share it with more people. If you're new here and haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join this community as we continue to grow. To celebrate reaching this milestone, I wanted to crochet a wall hanging to represent you, the first 100 people to join my community. I had a couple of ideas, from a striped piece with 100 different color stripes, to a granny style blanket with 100 different squares, and other projects along those lines. I eventually settled on making 100 flowers and connecting them into a square. As I made these flowers, I thought about my YouTube journey so far, and my gratitude towards you, my subscribers. I took some footage while I made this piece, so I'll share that with you now while I reflect on what led me to this point. At the beginning of the year, I had set the ambition to make at least one video a month. I thought about looking back at the end of the year and being thrilled with having made 12 videos. I told myself this was all about starting and sharing my process, that these would be the worst 12 videos I would make. Getting started and learning and improving is more important than making a perfect video. Then, in February, I came across the 100-day project, which inspired me to increase the number of videos I was planning to make. This got me more in the habit of making videos, and I became more comfortable with the editing process. Making videos became less difficult and more fun, so even after the project ended, I decided to continue with making regularly released videos. Now, I've been releasing a new video every week. This video is the 38th video I've made, already over 3 times more than I had planned on making this year. I'm so proud of myself and the progress that I've made. It's been a lot of fun sharing my creative process and knowledge, and I'm just getting started. Here's my final project. I'll be hanging it up in my office space so that every time I look at it, I'll be reminded of the supporters I have and all of you who believe in me. If you want to see a tutorial where I spell out exactly how I made this project, let me know in the comments down below. Like I said, reaching the 100 subscriber milestone happened a lot faster than I could have ever dreamed, and I can't wait to see when we'll reach the next milestone. Thank you so much for watching till the end of the video and for joining me on this journey. As a thank you for supporting this channel, I've decided that we're going to close out the year with even more videos. In December, I'm going to be releasing 2 new videos every week. If you enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps me out a lot. I make new videos every week, including check-in videos, crochet tutorials, and other craft content. If you have any requests of what kind of videos you'd like to see, make sure you leave those in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!